Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this time I will be showing you how you can hide the camera cutout when using applications. Okay, so for the purpose of the video, I've placed 4 applications on the home screen here: the calendar, YouTube, Instagram, and Call of Duty. So I'm just gonna open all 4. So when I open the calendar, as you can see, the camera cutout is very visible, and it's the same with YouTube. As you can see, it's very visible. Also with Instagram, and also when I open up Call of Duty and launch the game, as you can see, the camera cutout is clearly visible. So I'm going to show you how you can actually hide it. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, scroll down to where it says display, and then scroll down to where it says camera cutout. Select it, and then just simply look for the applications that you want to hide the camera cutout with. So I'm going to hide it on Call of Duty. Instagram. Also the calendar. And YouTube. And that's all you have to do. So just go through the list of all your applications and just hide the camera cutout with any of the applications that you want to hide it with. So now when I open up the calendar, as you can see, the camera cutout, it's no longer visible. Same with YouTube. As you can see, it's no longer visible. Same with Instagram. And also when I open up Call of Duty, as you can see, it's no longer visible because it's now got the black bar going across the top of each of the applications when I launch them. As you can see, it's got that black bar going across the top, and it hides the camera cutout. There it is, the black bar going across the top. And that's how it works, people. So that's how you hide the camera cutout with applications on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.